Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Surya and Sudhakar from Sree Builders. This is construction and design based film. Photoshop crucial tips and tricks பத்தி தான் இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். If you are working in architecture film or logo designer or any other designing field, this video very effective for you. And this is our previous video about make a floor plan post production in Photoshop. இந்த வீடியோ மிஸ் பண்ணாங்க இந்த வீடியோட லிங்க் கார்டில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். Back to the current topic, so let's get into the video. First of all, create a new page, shortcut Ctrl N, and you can set any paper size. You can set up orientation like portrait or landscape and set resolution of 300 pixels. And background color white, black and transparent. Many options in here. White is better option because it's feel like you to draw on a white paper. Import a file into Photoshop. First tip is mask. A picture la irukkudiya skies, trees, white backgrounds or any other unwanted layers permanently delete பண்ணாம mask use பண்ணி hide பண்ணிக்கலாம். If you need to bring back, you can restore that by using this mask option. Render பண்ணும்போது material ID option select பண்ணோம்னா different colors of mixing image கிடைச்சிருக்கும். This is called material ID. material ID layer click பண்ணிட்டு magic wand tool shortcut W யூஸ் பண்ணி backgroundல உள்ள black colors select பண்ணீங்கன்னா பார்டரில் உள்ள black கலர்ஸ் மட்டும் செலக்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். கேப்பில் உள்ள ஸ்கைஸ் செலக்ட் ஆகிருக்காது. ஸோ மேலே உள்ள காண்டிஜிஸில் போய் அன்செலக்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இப்போ நீங்கள் மேஜிக் பேண்ட் டூல் யூஸ் பண்ணி black கலர் செலக்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா யூ கேன் செலக்ட் ஆல் black layers in this image. Then use polygonal lasso tool shortcut L to deselect the unwanted selection by holding Alt key. If you want any additional selection, to select hold shift key. Background எல்லாமே select பண்ணிட்டோம். We got a final result. Select the main render image layer and add layer mask. Now selected layer தவிர balance area hide ஆயிருச்சு. But நமக்கு selected area மட்டும் தான் hide பண்ணணும். So hold Alt key while adding mask layer to vice versa the selection. And now we can change background skies easily. Second one is specular. Select a specular layer, go to blending mode and pick a screen option. It's given the more reflection in the glass edges and all reflection area. It's more effective option in the post production. Third one is import cutouts. Import cutouts into Photoshop and fix the cutouts in the position where you like to place. Fix the height of the cutouts by using roller scale. Shortcut Ctrl R. To scale your cutout to destination height, click Ctrl T and rescale it. Fourth one is motion blur. Select the layer and go to filter. Select motion blur and change the angle and distance. Fifth one is shadow. First copy the cutout by using shortcut Ctrl J. Right click over the copied layer, select destruct option and place the copied cutout layer to touch over the ground to opposite direction of the light rays. Then go to Q saturation, decrease the lightness to dark. And motion blur, make it a little bit blur and pick the soft light in blending mode. After that, change the opacity to as per your need. And use brush tool and change the round to flat and paint on over the shadow. It's give a more realistic look to the picture. Sixth one is Brush setting. Shortcut B. Hold Alt key and right click the mouse. Drag to left and right. You can increase and decrease the brush sizes. And drag to up and down. You can increase and decrease the hardness of brush. It's very simple and one of the time saving option. One is select a single layer. We create so many layers while doing post-production process. In order to select a single layer and hide all other layers, hold Alt key and click over the layer. Now we can easily edit in that particular layer. And 8th one is opacity. It is one of the simple and time saving tips for the post production. Press tool use பண்ணும்போது இந்த ஆப்ஷன் ரொம்ப எஃபெக்டிவாக இருக்கும். எவ்ரி டைம் ப்ரெஷ் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போதும் opacity பாரில் percentage ட்ராக் பண்ணி இன்க்ரீஸ் அண்ட் டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிகிட்ருப்போம். ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ப்ரெஸ் 2 and it's changed to 20% and 6 is to 60%, 9 is to 90%. Type 0 and go to 100% opacity. And last one is photo filter. Go to adjustment layer and pick a photo filter option. Track the density of that filter. You can change the any colors and it's give them pretty look and change the mode of the picture. Okay guys, we reached the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any doubts, leave the comments in the comment section. Don't forget to share to your friends. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Keep support us.